On the 22nd of April 2025, militants reportedly affiliated with the Resistance Front, a faction linked to the Pakistan-based Lashkar-e-Toiba, carried out a deadly attack on a group of tourists in Baisaran Valley, situated in Indian-administered Jammu and Kashmir. According to official sources, the gunmen opened fire indiscriminately, resulting in the deaths of at least 28 civilians and injuries to more than 20 others. Authorities indicated that the victims included 24 Indian tourists from various states, along with 2 local residents and 2 foreign nationals from Nepal and the United Arab Emirates. It was noted that this incident marked the deadliest civil attack in the region since the revocation of Jammu and Kashmir's special constitutional status. Reports stated that political leaders and members of civil society condemned the attack widely. Meghalaya's tourism minister Paul Lyngdoh was quoted as saying that the state stood firmly with Jammu and Kashmir and extended its sympathies to the families of the victims affected by the tragedy. Security forces were said to have launched a large-scale operation to track down those responsible, while investigations into the attack were ongoing.
Inhuman and unexpected, and to target visitors who actually were contributing to the revenue of that particular state is beyond my ability to comprehend. We stand together as a nation and as state government. We extend our full support to the union government in its attempt to thwart the upsurge of insurgency and terrorism in that particular area.